Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Glossybox Beauty Egg, and I'm so excited about this because I loved last year's Beauty Egg. The products inside were amazing and it's such a gorgeous little egg as well, so I'm so excited about this one this year. So there's 3 different colours of eggs you can get. You can get a pink one, you can get a blue one, and you can also get a yellow one. They all have the same products inside, I believe. And there's also 3 golden eggs hidden within the beauty eggs. So if you get a golden egg, then you win £600 worth of products, or it's a £600 value egg, I believe. I've got the egg to unbox for you today, and I know some of you guys might have already gotten your egg because Easter is just a few days away. The egg has now sold out. Unfortunately, it sold out pretty quick as soon as it went on sale. But I just wanted to unbox it for you, show you everything that's inside, and yeah, if you missed out this year, then just give you a little glimpse of what is inside the beauty egg and what you could maybe be getting next year in your beauty egg if you get one. So I'm really excited to crack the egg open for you, so let's just go ahead and we'll get started. So this is the super cute egg right here. I just love the design of these. They are just like so gorgeous with a little bow on the top there which says Glossybox. Really pretty eggs, and this is what it looks like inside. So it's stuffed full of products here, and I've tried a couple of the products out already and I am really enjoying them actually, so I'm excited to tell you about them. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is a nail polish from bareMinerals. So this is the Candy Culture nail paint in the shade Raspberry Sherbet. Now I actually have this on my nails today and I absolutely love the colour. It is so gorgeous, it's so pretty, so pink, and I'm just really obsessed with it right now. So it says it smells like candy, but I don't really smell candy from it. It is a little bit darker on my nails than it is when I actually apply it, because I have this on top, which is the top coat from Nails Inc. This is the Amethyst crystal top coat, and this has a little bit of a purple tinge to it, if you can see that there, because of the amethyst crystals obviously. When I apply that on top, it sort of like turns the nail polish a little bit purple, but anyway, I don't mind. It's still a gorgeous shade with and without the top coat. But yeah, like really love this, super pretty shade, and bareMinerals has one of the most amazing formulas actually from the drugstore. Like I really do like their formulas. I've been using polishes from them for a long time, so yeah, really liking this. Now before I go any further, the value of the beauty egg is £75. It retailed for £25 for subscribers and £30 for non-subscribers, so it's a really good value beauty egg. I don't have a little kind of booklet or leaflet on me to tell you the price of the products individually, unfortunately, but the whole value is £75 in the beauty egg. Okay, so next time we get inside the beauty egg, I'm really looking forward to trying out, and it is this from Tropez. This is their Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water. So I believe what you do with this is you just sort of like spray it all over your face, you know, without any makeup on, and it develops into a nice golden bronzy glow, I believe. Yeah, it says a lightweight mist with a tropical scent. We also get a tanning mitt in the beauty egg from Tropez. This one is a dual-sided one, and I think last year we got a Tropez tanning mitt as well, but it was just like, it wasn't a dual-sided one. This one I'm looking forward to giving a go, and that's a better look at it right there. So it is dual-sided, which would be really good for applying like mousse and things like that onto the body. I'm not sure if you use this with a mitt. I think you just spray that on the face really, and just leave it to sort of dry in basically. So yeah, really excited to try this out, and I like we have a little mitt here. It will come in really handy for me when I apply my fake tan. Okay, so next thing in the beauty egg is this moisturizer here from Q&A. This is the Ginger Root Daily Moisturizer, and this is really nice. I have this on my face today underneath my makeup, and I've been wearing this for the past 3 days because I received the beauty egg a couple of days ago, and I've been wearing this every day and I actually really like it on my skin. And ginger is actually really good for the face and for the skin. I love taking ground ginger and fresh ginger in my green tea. It's just really good for the body. And this here has natural ginger root in it, which helps with fine lines and wrinkles due to obviously UV exposure, and it also has aloe in it, which is good for hydration. So this moisturiser in particular says it's anti-aging, anti-inflammation, pore minimising, cell renewal, skin firmness, and helps with hydration. It's suitable for stressed, dry, sensitive, normal and combination skin type, not oily. So if you're oily skin then you can't use this. So yeah, I've been really liking this moisturiser. I haven't heard of this brand before or used anything from this brand before, so yeah, I've been really enjoying it. Next thing we get inside the Beauty Egg is this mascara here from bareMinerals. This is their Lashtopia mascara, and I've actually been using this mascara right now. I've just finished the one that I have been using actually, so I'm excited to have another one because I really do like this mascara. It gives really nice volume, like length and curl to my lashes. It's also jet black, which I really like. So yeah, excited to have another one. We also get these in the Beauty Egg. These are eye masks from the brand Pathology, and this is their Mood Patch Downtime Calming Tea Infused Aromatherapy Eye Gels. These have lavender in them, evening primrose and calendula, I'm not sure what that is, but yeah, I really like eye masks. I've been doing them a lot lately during this lockdown period, so I'm excited to give these ones a go. And actually, a little tip for you guys is the eye mask or face mask you're going to be doing that night, put it in the fridge, so when you apply it to your face in the evening it just feels nice and cooling on the skin, like it's great. So yeah, that's what I've been doing lately. Okay, the next thing inside the Beauty Egg is this here from Minimo. This is a edible lip scrub. It's in a candy scent. So I've tried this already on my lips and it's really nice on the lips. So that's the packaging for it right there. That's what the lip scrub looks like inside. So as you can see, I've used it a couple of times already and I really like this on the lips actually. So basically what you do with this is you take a little bit of it, apply it to your lips and just rub it in, and it just removes dead skin cells and gives you like soft, smooth and healthy lips. So yeah, I've been really liking this, and it's really good actually to do a lip mask or a lip scrub like this before you go out for the evening, because it makes your lipsticks last a lot longer on the lips as well. Like, I haven't really experimented that much with lip masks, but I'm really into this one and I'm enjoying it. And it is edible, so you can lick away the excess and eat it really. It is candy scented, which is, it's alright. It's a pleasant taste. So yeah, been enjoying that lately. Okay, the next thing in the Beauty Egg is this here from First Aid Beauty. This is their Facial Radiance Polish, which helps to exfoliate, brighten and purify the skin. And this is also safe for sensitive skin, which is good. First Aid Beauty is a really nice brand. I love their daily moisturiser. I think that's really nice. Excited to give this one a go. I'm not sure if I've given this a go before. Like, I can't really think. I think I used their Facial Radiance pads before. Yeah, and they were quite nice, but I haven't tried this one, I don't think. So I'm excited to give this a go. And then next thing we get is this here from GLAMGLOW. This is it focusing? Yep. So this is their Insta Mud face mask, which is a 60-second pore refining treatment. So GLAMGLOW is actually a really nice face mask brand, quite expensive brand as well. So it says smooth a generous layer onto dry clean skin and do not rub in, let it sit, and the mask will transform into oxygenating bubbles and leave on the skin for 60 seconds. Rinse with warm water and follow up with your regular treatment or skincare routine. Yeah, so excited to give this a go. I've tried a few other face masks from GLAMGLOW and they're really nice, so I haven't tried this one, so I'm excited for this. Okay, and then the next thing we get inside the box is a lipstick from Illamasqua. I really love Illamasqua's lipsticks, and this one is the Antimatter Lipstick in the shade Meteor. So I don't have this shade, I have a bunch of Illamasqua lipsticks and I don't have this one, so I'm excited about that. Illamasqua have the most gorgeous formula, especially the Antimatter lipsticks. They're just really kind of velvety smooth on the lips. They're just lovely, really comfortable. They don't feel like matte lipsticks at all. Obviously that's why it says Antimatter, but they have like a matte look, like a matte finish, but they don't feel like matte on the lips, they don't feel dry, and they're just really comfortable in velvety lipsticks. So that's the shade right there, and it's kind of like a dark, it's kind of like a mauve shade. I think I'm going to give it a little swatch on the back of my hand here. That's the shade and that looks really nice. I might give it a little try on my lips for you guys. Okay, so that's the shade on my lips right there, and it's a really dark mauve shade, which I would probably lighten up with a little bit of a lighter lipstick in the middle, just because I like my lips just a little bit lighter and a little bit kind of juicier. So yeah, I would just lighten up a little bit, but a really pretty shade, really nice colour. Yeah, just switch back to my other lip so I can finish up the video. But yeah, so that is everything inside this year's beauty egg. Like, I absolutely love the products inside this year's beauty egg again. I'll round up a couple of my favourite products because obviously I've tried a few of them already. So I'm really liking the lip scrub from Mini Moo. I'm liking the moisturiser from Q&A, it's really nice moisturiser. I'm happy to have another one of the bareMinerals Tropez mascaras. Really like this mascara, it's gorgeous. Excited to give this a go from Tropez, and really loving the bareMinerals nail polish as well. So these are a few of my favourite products from the beauty egg. I would love to know what you think about it down below in the comment section, guys, and let me know if you are a winner of the golden egg. Like, it sounds so amazing, I would love to know. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.